Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a forum user board. First, open up Photoshop, then set the width to 350 and the height to 19. Set the color mode to RGB color and then transparent. Go to advanced and select don't color manage this document and then press OK. Select the gradient tool and then create your gradient, and I am going to create a gradient for my website. So I choose light brown and then just drag it out. And so there's my gradient. And next we are going to go do scan lines. So create a new layer, then select the clone pattern stamp tool, then press file, new, 6, again don't color manage this document, then press OK, and then press Control and then the plus key to zoom in, and then you can zoom no more. So select pencil tool, 1 pixel, and then make a line going diagonal like this. And then go to edit, define pattern, and call it scan lines. So you can close that and then select the pattern stamp tool and then choose the scan lines you just created and drag it across. After you're done, set the opacity to around 39 and the fill to about 70. And now we're gonna do the image. Select new layer, go to Google, and then find an image, or if you already have the image open, you can just open that image up. And I am going to open up a sprite, a picture. It's like a little video game picture. And then I choose my image. So there are my pictures. So I choose one of these guys. So in order to do that, I select the rectangular marquee tool. And then I just choose one of these guys. I'm going to choose this guy right here. So move up. Control C, close that, press Control V, paste it there, go to edit, scale, actually I'm gonna first open it up in its own layer and then erase the extra stuff around it. Set like diameter more and then erase that stuff. Or if you don't want to erase it, you can just use that right there. And press Control C, close that up too. Then paste it, go to Edit, Transform, Scale, and scale the image down to something like that. Alright, now select the text, set it to white, and this is where you have to use a pixel font, and I'm going to use one called Visitor. Drag out my text space, set the font size to something like 9, and type that in. As you can see, it's a bit small, so I'm going to increase the font size to something more, like 10 or 11, so you can see. So 10 or 11. Type in your text. Put it somewhere like in the middle. And then select Stroke. And put it 1 and the color to black. So there it stands out a bit more. Put the picture layer on top of everything else. Now we're going to create a little globe. So select the elliptical marquee tool, press X to set the foreground color to white. Drag out the elliptical marquee tool to something like that. Select the paint bucket tool and fill it in with white. Press Ctrl D to deselect it. Then set the opacity to something like 50. And then play around with the fill until you get like a little 3D glow look. So I'm gonna put 76 there. Then now I'm going to add a border. So select the pencil tool. And then select 3 pixels. Press D to set the foreground color to black. And then drag out my border. And there you have it. It's over. So you select File, Save, and then save it as a GIF. So because JPEGs tend to blur, so save it as a GIF, and then you're done.